Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. On the Ethereum chart, we are still tracking a potential uptrend on the larger time frame. That has not changed. We're obviously looking at the chart from an Elliott wave point of view. And what you can see here on the chart is that a C wave rally is possibly unfolding. That would be wave C of 5. In this case, on this chart, the fifth wave will be seen as an ABC structure, because the overall pattern that started to develop in 2022 or from the 2022 low, the pattern to the upside is seen as a so-called ending diagonal structure. And these ending diagonals, they consist of corrective subwave structures, which means we have a 5-wave move, but the subwave structures are ABC patterns, so they are corrective. We're not looking for the normal 5-wave patterns. We are rather looking for corrective movements, which can always make it very difficult to determine and confirm that actually a low has formed anywhere here, because we normally are looking for 5-wave movements from any low to get a good understanding that actually a substantial low has formed. But if we only see 3 waves, it means in the context of this chart, it could still go up higher, right? That might not be so easy to understand, but basically when it's a 3-wave move, it leaves the door open for lower prices as well. So we have to work more with support levels and less with microstructures. Of course, I'm tracking the microstructures as well, but it's important to understand that it can take a while to confirm something. But for a trader, it's not so much about waiting for confirmation. For a trader, it's more about the concepts of reward and risk, right? And at the moment, we can assume that a wave B has bottomed. It needs to be confirmed further. We'll take a look at that on the smaller time frame. Of course, there are confirmations that we can get on the smallest time frames, but it will take a while until we really can let's say rule out the immediate risk of another low. For now, in the yellow scenario, we might get another low. This would be the scenario where the price might just form another low in wave 5 of C of a larger wave 4, but at the moment, the main thesis would be that a 4th wave bottomed in August. This was simply the A wave rally into the December high, a B wave correction into the February low, and now we could be in a C wave. The C wave itself is a 5-wave move. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame. Here you can see that the price might have rallied in what I'm labeling wave 1 of a larger C wave to the upside. We had an initial rally from the February low. And since then, the price has only been consolidating. We have a very, very slow, sideways oriented price range and price behavior. It is entirely possible that even in a short-term bullish scenario, the price forms a low below the last low here. So dips below the Sunday, the 9th of February low, and the price might reach here the lower support levels around $2,270 to $2,400. So that's entirely possible. We would need some confirmation for that, like a break below the red line here at around $2,525. That would confirm that the white scenario in this wave 2, which is seen as a corrective pullback after a first rally to the upside, it would be an indication that this wave 2 is still unfolding. But we would be looking for a higher low to form, and ideally the price will not break below $2,270 in any bullish scenario. And then afterwards, we could get a 3rd wave rally to the upside, which might take us close to round about $3,500, these previous swing highs from January, and then another higher low in a wave 4 and a higher high in a wave 5, and then we'll take it from there. A direct bullish or directly bullish scenario is highlighted in orange. Here the price would move up very directly, but we need evidence for it. I just don't see it with a high likelihood. It's possible, and we're tracking it as long as we're holding above the red line, but there is just no upside momentum at the moment to support it. So a break above the February high, 3rd of February high at 2,927 would finally get us out of this range and increase the upward pressure. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.